Hello guys, welcome back to Intellify. My name is Deepika and today we are going to solve NCERT solutions of chapter 15th probability of mathematics of class 10th exercise 15.1 question number 22. So question number 22 first part is complete the following table. Now here event is sum on 2 dice which is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And the probability of getting sum on 2 dice is for sum 2 it is 1 by 36, for sum 8 it is 5 by 36, for sum 12 it is 1 by 36. In the second part, a student argues that there are 11 possible outcomes, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Therefore, each of them has a probability 1 by 11. Do you agree with the argument? Justify your answer. So in the solution, if 2 dice are thrown, the possible events are like this, like 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 up to 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So the total number of events is 6 into 6 equals 36. In the first part, it is given that to get the sum 2, the probability is 1 by 36. As we can see in the outcomes, there is only one possible outcome, that is 1, 1 for getting sum 2. So probability is obviously 1 by 36. Now similarly, for getting the sum as 3, the possible events or outcomes, that is event E sum 3 is 1, 2 and 2, 1. So probability of getting sum 3 is 2 by 36. Similarly, event E of getting sum 4 is 1, 3, 3, 1 and 2, 2. So probability of getting sum 4 is 3 by 36. Event E of getting sum 5 is 1, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2. So probability of getting sum 5 is 4 by 36. Event of getting sum 6 is 1, 5, 5, 1, 2, 4, 4, 2 and 3, 3. So probability of getting sum 6 is 5 by 36. Event E of getting sum 7 is 1, 6, 6, 1, 5, 2, 2, 5, 4, 3 and 3, 4. So probability of getting sum 7 is 6 by 36. Event E of getting sum 8 is 2, 6, 6, 2, 3, 5, 5, 3 and 4, 4. So probability of getting sum 8 is 5 by 36. Event E of getting sum 9 is 3, 6, 6, 3, 4, 5 and 5, 4. So probability of getting sum 9 is 4 by 36. Event E of getting sum 10 is 4, 6, 6, 4 and 5, 5. So probability of getting sum 10 is 3 by 36. Event E of getting sum 11 is 5, 6 and 6, 5. So probability of getting 11 sum is 2 by 36. Similarly, event E of getting sum 12 is 6, 6. So probability of getting sum 12 is 1 by 36. So we can complete the table as follows, like sum 2 is 1 by 36, sum 3 is 2 by 36 and so on up to sum 12 also 1 by 36. In the second part, the argument is not correct. As we have seen already in the first part, there are 36 possible outcomes and not 11. So probability cannot be 1 by 11. Hence done. Thank you.